Hello, so I've adjusted the slider on the home page so it doesn't take nearly up as much room as before, and fixed the Cooking with Judy section. So how I edited the slider to make it the right size is a little unusual. Well, also to say with welcome. What it is, I went to Edit Page, or if you're in the dashboard, you can go to Pages, All Pages, and then click on the page name there. See Pages, All Pages. So the first thing that we need to do is what fixed the Cooking with Judy is you had these codes for columns to set it up in the columns, only instead of last with an underscore, it was last with a space, which made that not the right code. So I had to switch it back to the regular code, which had a space underline, and that's what makes it stay in 3 columns now. If you keep scrolling down, you'll get to a section that says Hero Settings. What I did was I removed the pictures that you had for the slider, and then I added them again. So if I wanted to remove flowers, I click this, then I choose flowers and hit add. Now it shows up at the bottom. Once I removed them all and re-added them, it showed up in the proper sizing of the slider. To get the word welcome, I had to type in main title here and click hide the subtitle, otherwise it would say hello underneath welcome. And because it already says welcome at the top of the page, I took off the welcome at the top of this writing as well, so it only says welcome once. Now one thing that is a little different about the home page and that I can't seem to fix is this picture. So this picture is, you see the very tops of the rocks, but if you were to go, and here on the rainbow picture you see just the rainbow and the clouds. If you go to any of the other pages, you'll see that this image shows a little bit more on the bottom. And when we get to the rainbow picture, you'll see the rainbow and the clouds, but also the land where it touches. Now why this? You see here that is. Now there's something about the theme that's making the home page slightly different. I tried creating a brand new page and adding the exact same images, and they all showed up the same way these pages do, with a more downward version of the picture. When I set that new page that I created that had the working images as the home page, then it changed back to being the version of the pictures that's slightly above. So there's something about the theme that's causing the home page to not display the pictures from the bottom, but rather from the top, which is why they're slightly off. Now, that's not something I'll be able to fix without custom coding, but unfortunately custom coding is not something that I can help with. You can get in touch with the theme makers to see if they have any idea about how to get the slide to show up the same on the home page as it does on the other pages. To do that, you go to Appearance, click on Theme Details. For upmost, it'll say Current Theme or Active Theme. And if you click on Buy, it'll take you to the website of the people who made the theme, and then you can ask them about it. Here's a contact link that you can use. Well, if you have any other questions, let me know.